Hey everyone, it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Well, it's a cool day here in Georgia, and I have spent the day, don't tell anybody, but in my jammies. Yep, I have on long jammies today, and that's unusual for me, considering those hot flashes. Anyhow, I am part of the next collab that Crafty Mama and This and That with Michelle have coordinated for us. This one is called Winter Fun Collab, and I'm so excited to be part of it. And I want to give a shout out to them to say thanks for inviting me. I must have done pretty good the last time that you want to include me again. So thumbs up to both of you. I greatly appreciate it. Now, let's get to business before we get to the fun. What this is going to be is the first week, our theme, all of us in the collab, which if you look below my screen here, you will see a list of all the people that are in this collaboration. And it's a boatload. There's a lot of us. So the first week is cards. All right. That's today. That's what I'm going to show you today. Now, again, it has to be the theme of winter fun, which can be, of course, winter or holiday. The second week, we need to do some sort of shaker. Now, y'all know what that is, I hope. You put something in and you shake it. Now, I'll show you when we get there what I have planned. The next week is freestyle. It's kind of anything goes as long as you stick to that theme. And if you know me, you probably know what I'm going to do. And then the fourth week, once again, we're going to have a prize drawing. Yep, each and every one of us. So the possibility of you winning something, if you subscribe to every person here, you've got a pretty good chance of winning, okay? So here's the rules, down to this business. You have to make a comment on each one of the weeks for the YouTuber that you are following. Now, you also have to be a visible subscriber. All right. Now, I'm going to do something that I hope helps this situation, because that was a little bit of a hard thing in the last collab, is getting everyone to make themselves visible as far as their subscribers are concerned, and doing it where I was able to keep up. Well, all of us were able to keep up. All right. So if you make a comment, which of course you have to do to be part of for the drawing, when you make your comment, I click on your name. All right. Then I go and see if you're a visible subscriber. If you are not, I am going to send you a message back saying, I can't see that you have subscribed to me, or something thereabouts. All right. So at that point in time, you can decide, well, I want to be part of the drawing. I need to make myself visible. Crafty Mama has a video on how to do that. Okay. If you don't know how to have your subscriptions visible. And a lot of people require this that do giveaways. So you might just want to consider going ahead and doing it. All right. So you need to comment. You need to be a visible subscriber. And of course, we want you to give us a thumbs up. That's one of the reasons why we do this, isn't it? Now, I do want to say to you all that collaborations are to help you grow your channel. All right. There's a lot of YouTubers out there. There's some big ones and there's a lot of small ones. So these collaborations help us share followers with each other. I mean, there were people in this collab, to tell you the truth, I had never heard of. Well, I know them now. And yeah, I'm going to follow them. There's no doubt about it. So let's do that. Let's be all part of the team. And when these 4 weeks are over, stay subscribed. Okay, stay subscribed to us. That's what this is all about, is helping each other out. And it makes it so much more fun when you pop in and you check somebody out now and then. Okay, so hopefully that takes care of the business. All right, on with it. If, again, you know anything about me, you know my goal this year is to use what I have. All right, So when I decided that, yeah, I was going to do this collab, I said, oh, I could make cards. I could make cards all day long, all night long. I can make cards. And then I said, but you know what I have? I have cards. I have store-bought, out-of-the-box kind of cards that I need to do something with. So what I'm going to show you is what I did. This is the card. All right. I have a lot of them. Not even sure where I got these from. And I think they had been buried. And I recently, since I've been redoing my art space, I found them. So what I decided to do was to take this card and make it three-dimensional into another card. So here it is. Now I'm hoping that you can see what I did. I took a third, well, we won't count this one, all right? That was just to show you what it looked like in the beginning. I took a second card and cut out pieces of it. I cut out that little house, and let's see if I can show you this. I'm trying. Anyway, I've got some 3D foam tape under there. So I did it on the house. I did it on the front part of this train. I did it on the chimney. Just really trying to get this to show. And then I did it on the front of that home. All right. So then what I did from there was I took one of my friends at the last weekend retreat I went to had gotten 3 bottles of this. I was looking for the labels there on top. It's Spectrum Noir Sparkle. She had gotten 3 bottles of it, and she said, and I know you'll use this. And I did. I took everywhere that there was snow, and again, I'm not so sure you're going to see it. I can see it pretty well. Everywhere there's snow, I brushed some on, okay? So on the rooftops. And then I took Stickles, that was the frosted lace, and I trimmed the rooftops where the snow was. I trimmed a little bit down here around the wall and here too. And then, like I said, all around here. So now this card, which was, as we will say, pretty plain, now it pops and it shimmers. It's fun to me. And again, it's using what I have, but putting a little twist on it. So what that did then, however, was that gave me a card with some holes in it. So I took my die, and I thought I had it right here in front of me. But I took my Sizzix die. Oh, yep, here it is. Just put it off to the side. I took my Sizzix die, which is the artist trading card die, and I punched from what was left in the front of the card. Now, what will I do with this? I will probably put this in like with a gift card and write a little note on the back of it as a little something, because you know I'm going to make my own envelope for that gift card as well. All right. So I will put this in with it. Now, on the back of the card, it is, who made the card. But look, it is the same picture, tiny. So, yep, I cut it out as well. And I will probably put it, I don't know, maybe on a journal page or collage it into something, but it'll definitely get used. I might even do it on the outside of the envelope when I do that gift card. Now, wouldn't that be a fun idea? Okay, so that is the card that I have done for week number 1 for the Winter Fun Collab. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope it gives you an idea to do with some of the cards that you have around. For years and years, I have taken cards like this, artist trading cards, from old greeting cards and embellished them up some more and traded them. So just because your card doesn't have a lot of pizzazz doesn't mean you can't make it have more pizzazz. So again, thanks for coming by. Please remember to check out all the other collabers. There are some very talented individuals there, and we want to share the love. So please do that. And remember, comment, give a thumbs up, And most importantly, be a visible subscriber. And you never know, you could be a winner too. So I appreciate it, and I will check you all down the road. Behave. Bye bye.